Hi, my name is Dan Chambers and I'm the founder of Chambers Law Firm. I'm very excited to start this video series. Now that we're at the end of 2018, there's going to be a lot of new laws that have passed that will be in effect in 2019. And I'm going to start a series of videos that discuss some of the major new laws that will be coming into effect in 2019. And I will also be talking about some of the new laws that came into effect in 2018 and how those are being handled by the courts. I hope that you enjoy this series, and as I go through the different topics, if you have any questions, you can always contact our law firm for more information. The first topic I want to talk about today is a bill that was passed in June of last year. It was referred to as SB-1393. It's also commonly referred to as the Mental Health Diversion Statute. It's now contained in Penal Code Section 1001.35 and .36. Here's what the law basically provides for, and it's a unique new law that many of you might be able to benefit from. The statute states that in a criminal case involving either a felony or a misdemeanor, if the defendant is suffering from a mental disorder of some type, and that it can be shown that that mental disorder contributed to their commission of the crime they're being charged with, their case can actually be diverted and put on hold while they seek a plan of treatment. Let me give you an example of how this works from a client of mine right now. I have a client that is a multi-time DUI offender, and she suffers from bipolar disorder and some other issues as well. When she picked up her most recent case, I was able to go into court and show the judge that that condition was contributing to and was a significant factor in her DUI that she was being charged with. And if you can show those two things, number one, that it's a qualifying crime and a qualifying mental disorder, and two, if you can show the judge through medical evidence that your client is suffering from a mental disorder that was a factor in committing that crime, that client is eligible for diversion. Now, it's discretionary with the judge. It's not granted in every case. The statute calls out specific disorders such as PTSD, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia, but many other mental conditions probably qualify under the new law. Now, here's how it works if the judge actually grants diversion. The criminal case is essentially put on hold at that point. The client's medical doctor or medical provider, psychiatrist, then provides a course of treatment for that particular defendant, and that course of treatment is provided to the court. If the court believes that that treatment plan will help keep that person from committing similar crimes in the future, the client is then put on that program, and once they complete that program, they can come back to court, demonstrate to the judge that they've completed that plan of treatment and that in fact it has been effective in determining whether they'll commit this crime again, and the case actually gets dismissed. So this is a very, very powerful tool potentially. If you feel like you have a mental disorder that might qualify under this new statute, and you're currently being charged with a felony or a misdemeanor, I encourage you to contact our office. I can go over in detail with you the types of disorders that are covered, the plan of treatment that would be most persuasive to the judge, and hopefully get your motion granted so that you can earn your way to a dismissal. There's a lot of times that I see clients that commit crimes that are solely because of something that they are struggling with, some sort of mental disorder, some other condition that is contributing to the fact that they are committing the crime they're being accused of. And those people, frankly, don't need jail. They need professional help. And that's what this statute, AB 1810, was passed for. I encourage you to contact our office. I hope you found this video helpful. Contact our office for more details. We'll be happy to discuss your case. And thank you very much for watching.